secondary diagonal of matrix, elements above, elements below. We'll take dimension of square array, we'll take three variables for sum above equals 0, sum in equals 0, sum down, sum down secondary diagonal equals 0. And also we'll take a variable float average in, average down, and average above. We'll say to the user to fill the matrix. To have a better interaction with the user, we'll print the array given. We'll use the to for, printf %d tab, close the first loop. Here we'll just print a new line and we'll close the second loop. Above secondary diagonal. First, we'll find the sum, and second, we'll find the average for sum above secondary diagonal. Using to for, the condition will be if I is lower than n minus 1 minus j. To access the elements above secondary diagonal, sum above equals sum above plus aij. At least average above equal sum above, and to turn the sum that is int into float, we simply multiply it with 1.0 divided by n. To access the elements on down secondary array diagonal, the condition will be if I is higher than n minus 1 minus j. We'll close the iterative structures and we simply say sum down equals sum down plus aij, and average down equal average down times 1 in float divided by n. At least for the elements in secondary diagonal, the condition is if I is equal n minus 1 minus j, and we'll simply say sum in equals sum in plus aij, and average in equal average in times 1 in float divided by n. At least we'll print average in %d tab sum in %d new line. We'll repeat that piece of message to have a better interaction with the user, and we'll say average down, sum down, average above, sum above, and here we mention the respective variables: average in, sum in, average down, sum down, average above, sum above. Now let's execute and see the result. We need a semicolon here because we have another type. Execute again. Also the mask will be %f because averages are in float. We'll make changes. We'll execute again. Dimension will fill. And here are the results. We can verify the sum. Sum in 15, sum down is with 23, and sum above is 7. And averages for each of them were right.